No, in my initial days, I was thinking I can't be fluent within 100 days, but now I am just thinking this much I can improve. Then why I am not fluent within 100 days? If you are giving your time to your fluency, because you know I didn't have much time to improve myself, but yes, somehow I invest my time to my English journey, and I spent around 10 to 15 minutes of English speaking daily, consistently. And I skipped few days before because there was a marriage function I already shared with you. This is why I skipped. At the day of 88, I didn't skip any day. I didn't skip any day, and now you can see the result. I am speaking, without struggling so much. I know I am not fluent, but somehow I am able to speak English, and somehow I am, trying to, construct the sentence without any mistakes. But yes, I do mistakes, and I allow myself to make mistakes, and I am making video here, and you can see I am in my village, and I am not, wanted to live in village because you can see there is no one around me. And it does not mean that there is no one around in my village, but yes, if I talk about the my age and my friends, there is no one friend in my village. This is why I don't want to live in my village anymore. But yes, my parents lives here, so this is my duty to visit and meet my parents, and this is why I am here. And because our functions, all family functions, celebrate here, this is why I have to come here, and I am in my village for function of my cousin brother wedding ceremony. And it's have been done because, not because, and sometimes without even thinking, I use randomly words like I am using because again and again, even it doesn't make sense. But yes, but there is one thing, there is if you really want to speak English, if you really want to speak fluently, don't think about fluently, just think about to make environment, just you know make environment, and just try to convey and try to express the things which is surrounded by you. Like, you can see I am outside my village, and I am at my field, you can see, and you can see the crop of potato. You can see the crop of potato, and you can see through, you know these are the these are the plants of mustard oil. Yes, bee gets you know mustard oil from these kinds of trees, and you can see these are the I can say, I don't know what to say, but yes, it is what it is. We get mustard oil through this. Okay. Now I was just sitting here because of here I can get the internet connectivity in the good way. Because if I were at my home, I am not able to watch any video and reels at my home. And this kind of network connectivity I get in my village. This is why I also don't want to live here. And I am here because I get 5G connectivity outside my village, and I am here, but not so smooth. But it's a kind of only saying I am getting 5G connectivity outside my village, but not that kind of good connectivity and good speed I get even outside my village. So there is a call. I will definitely going to meet. Okay, and there is a call. I will see you later.